Hi guys! Today we're gonna make Basque cheesecake. So here are the ingredients. 500 grams of cream cheese. I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese. This is 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 large eggs, 250 grams of heavy cream, and this is 2 tablespoons of self-raising flour, and 3/4 cup of sugar. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use all of them. I'm gonna update you guys once I start mixing the ingredients. And last but not least, you're gonna need a parchment paper on top of your cake pan. And by the way, I'm using an 8-inch diameter cake pan. To this bowl, I'm adding sugar, now that it's well combined and smooth, I'm gonna add the egg one by one. Now I'm adding the heavy cream, vanilla, and lemon. Finally, I'm gonna sift in the flour, I have preheated the oven to 200 degrees Celsius, and here I've lined the cake pan with parchment paper. You can line it however you want, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're gonna pour in the cake batter. And then we're gonna bake it for 60 minutes or until the top is completely burnt. That's how it looks like after an hour, so we're gonna take it out from the oven. So the cheesecake has settled as it cools down, and I'm gonna slowly take off the parchment paper.